Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video we are knowing about the Gandhiji. And before starting the video, I want to say that if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video and put the notification turn on to get my video. Let's start the video without wasting the time. So, let us know about the Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar at Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he is the father of the nation and people lovingly called him Bapu or father. Gandhiji's wife name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. Bye. So, we learned about the Mahatma Gandhi, where he was born and where he studied and what is the name of his wife and how many childs they have. So, let us know how the Gandhiji inspired with the true dramas and how his love with true begin. So, let's move on that video by seeing the Shravan Pitru Bhakti drama. Gandhiji decided to be like the Shravan Kumar and by seeing the Harishchandra drama, he decided to be like Harishchandra, like telling truth by facing problems. It's just a matter of one day. Education department officers came to inspect the school. They said to write the 5 words of English. Among those words, one of the word was kettle. Balak Gandhi wrote it wrong. The teacher gestured and said, by seeing the other boy write the spelling correct. But Gandhi did not. Due to spelling mistake, Mohan was considered as Buddhu. They didn't feel bad. He was glad that he did not take the path of theft. His true love started from this, which led him to Mahatma Gandhi. If you have enjoyed to see my video and you are new in my video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. This video's part 2 will come soon. Till then, another video. Bye bye.